I'm Izelle from Garage Guys. We've just had a really cool weekend here at Homemakers 2018. It's a really nice new venue, lots of food, awesome drinks and great people.
So what we found is that it's really worth the while and all the effort we put into it. It's excellent exposure and we just love being at the Homemakers Expo.
We've had an amazing weekend here with a lot of interest from consumers and just a lot of business-to-business deals that have really given our business an opportunity to prosper, and it's just been a great experience.
We believe you've got to give a good value at a reasonable price, and that is exactly what we get at Homemakers.
We strive to provide the best product and service, and I think that Homemakers got the same values as our company to grow.
Hi there, I'm Marko from The Gas Company. Just give you a bit of feedback. What a great success attending the Homemakers Expo. We got great feedback from clients, great interest. Definitely a show that you must check out.
Ons is altyd op soek na werk, na besigheid. So as jy adverteer, wil jy graag leidrade hê. En Homemakers Fair was toch altyd vir ons die ene wat vir ons die prima leidrade gegee het en wat ons weet wat konstant ook vir ons leidrade gee.
Dit was vir ons 'n awesome skill geweest. Ons het 'n klein stelletjie gevat, het baie goeie leads gekry en wat baie nice is, die kwaliteit van die mense was uitstekend geweest.
Well, I would say probably the exposure that it's given us over these years. We met so many people and our customers, we had the opportunity to actually engage with them one-on-one. It's very personal, it's very product orientated in the sense that they can come and they can touch the products.
Ongelooflike mense, ongelooflike ervaring, samewerking soos ons nog nooit gesien het nie.
People love the dishes we did, and Spa provided us with very good quality cuts of meats, and it was very nice. It was simply the best, one of the few best meats ever served.
Die binnekant was mooi, met die kombuisarea was great geweest.
Ek kan regtig nie kla nie. Ek het eintlik net lof vir die mense by Homemakers Fair.